Hello dear, I am Monica God and welcome to our channel Learning Journey. Friends, in my previous video, we have understood about what basically noun is. If you haven't watched the video yet, please watch that also. Link is provided in the description box. In this video, we will learn about types of noun. But first, let's revise what noun is. Noun or naming word is a word that refers to the name of a creature, place, things, idea or quality. For example, pole star, orange, Taj Mahal, shark, Rahul, girl, etc. are all noun. Before moving further in this video, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Basically, noun has 5 types, that is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. The first 3 noun, that is common noun, proper noun, collective noun are countable noun, whereas material noun and abstract noun are uncountable noun, that is we cannot count them. Now let's talk about common noun and proper noun. Friends, you can see some sentences on your screen like Doraemon is a cartoon, our galaxy name is Milky Way, Nina is a girl, India is our country, Dairy Milk is my favorite chocolate, my parrot's name is Mittu. Friends, while reading the sentences, have you noticed anything? Some words in each sentences are written in red color. Do you know why? Why these words are written in red color? Because these words are the name of any creature, place or thing. And as we have already learned in our previous video that the name of any creature, thing, place are called noun. So, Doraemon, cartoon, galaxy, Milky Way, Nina, girl, India, country, dairy milk, chocolate, parrot, Mittu are noun because these words are the name of any particular person, place or thing. But have you noticed one more thing? Between these words or between these two nouns, one starts with capital letter while the other one starts with small letter. Like Doraemon in first sentence starts with capital letter but cartoon in the same sentence starts with small letter. Whereas galaxy in the second sentence starts with small letter but Milky Way starts with capital letter. Why is it so? This is because the words which start with capital letter are specific name or special name of any person, place or things, and the noun which starts with small letters are general names. See the sentence, Doraemon is a cartoon. As you know, there are many cartoons like Shin Chan, Mickey Mouse, Doraemon, Chhota Bheem, etc. So, cartoon is a general name. But when we talk about Doraemon, it is the name of a specific cartoon. So, Doraemon is a special name whereas cartoon is a general name. Now let's talk about one more example. See the second sentence. Our galaxy name is Milky Way. As we know that in this universe there are millions of galaxies. So, galaxy is a general name, but Milky Way is the only galaxy in this universe. So, Milky Way is a specific name or a special name. That's why Milky Way starts with capital letter whereas galaxy starts with small letter. So, friends, Doraemon, Milky Way, Nina, India, Dairy Milk, Mittu are all special names of a place, a person or thing, and that's why they are called proper noun. Whereas cartoon, galaxy, girl, country, chocolate, parrot are general name of a person, thing or any place. So, these are called common noun. So, let's talk about common noun and proper noun more. Common noun are the noun that denotes a class of objects or creature. For example, boy, planet, school, teacher, mountain, ocean, country, fruit, flower, etc. Whereas proper noun is the noun that denotes a specific name of objects or creatures. For example, Ravi, Shinchan, Lotus, Kit Kat, New Delhi, Diwali, Geeta are all proper noun. Common noun are mostly written in small letters. Common noun are general names, whereas proper noun are always written in capital letters. Proper noun are also called special names. Common noun can be both singular and plural, like boy or boys, school or schools, fruit or fruits. So, as per the situation, we can use the common noun as singular or plural. Let's understand more about common noun and proper noun by looking at these pictures. He is a boy. His name is Rahul. So, in this picture, Rahul is a specific name of this boy, but boy is a general name. This is a mountain. Its name is Himalayas. So, Himalayas is a specific name of this mountain, while mountain is common noun. This is a dog. There are many dogs, so dog is general name for this animal. Its name is Moti. So Moti is a special name of this dog. So Moti is proper noun. She is a doctor. So doctor is a general name or common noun. Her name is Miss Neetu. So Miss Neetu is her specific name and it is proper noun. This is a star. It's a pole star. Its name is pole star and that's why it is a proper noun, whereas star is common noun. Hope you understand what proper noun and common noun are. Let's move to our next noun, which is collective noun. A collective noun is the name of collection or group of persons or things. For example, a class of students. In a class, there is a group of students, hence, this group of students collectively known as class. So, class is a collective noun of students. A crowd of people. A bundle of sticks. If we talk about one stick, it is called a stick. But if we talk about many sticks, together they are called bundle of sticks. That means it is a collection. Hence, a bundle of sticks is also a collective noun. A bouquet of flowers, a regiment of soldiers, a bunch of keys, a pair of shoes, a flock of sheep, a band of musicians, a crew of sailors are all collective noun. Because these are the collection of students, people, sticks, flowers, soldiers, keys, shoes, sheep, musician and sailors. So, a collective noun is the name of collection or group of persons or things. Now our next noun is material noun. Material noun is the name of a material or substance out of which things are made. For example, leather. Leather is a raw material for making many things like purse, bag, shoes, hat, etc. Gold. Gold is a raw material for making ornaments, jewelry, etc. So it is also a material noun. Milk. Milk is used to make many things like cheese, curd, butter, etc. So it is also a material noun. Silver. Silver is a raw material for making utensils, jewelry. So this is also a material noun. Wood. We can make many things from wood like doors, windows, furniture. So it is also a material noun. Iron. Many things around us are made up of iron like nails and other items. So it is also a funny material noun. Wool. Wool is a raw material for making sweaters or woolen clothes. So this is also a material noun. So everything which is used as a raw material for making usable things are known as material noun. So leather, gold, milk, silver, wood, iron and wool are all material nouns. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, action or condition. We can only think of or feel abstract noun. For example, music, joy, kindness, hope, love, bravery are all abstract nouns. Beauty. Beauty is an abstract noun. We can feel the beauty of any girl or object, but we can't touch its beauty. So it is an abstract noun. Friendship. Friendship is also an abstract noun because we can feel friendship, but neither we can touch it nor we can see. Love. Love is an emotion and that's why it is an abstract noun. Bravery. Bravery is a quality which we can feel but cannot touch. So bravery is an abstract noun. Anger. Anger is also an emotion, so it is an abstract noun. Childhood. We all enjoyed our childhood, but we never see it. So it's a feeling and that's why it is called abstract noun. Wisdom is also an abstract noun. Excitement. We can see the excitement of a person by its action, but we cannot see what exactly excitement is. So it is a feeling which can only feel but can't touch. Honesty. Honesty is also an abstract noun. So friends, beauty, love, anger, wisdom, honesty, excitement, childhood, bravery, friendship are all qualities or actions or emotions. So these are all abstract nouns. Dear friends, hope till now you have understood the types of noun and can distinguish them. So in this box we have some nouns. You have to identify these nouns whether it is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun or material noun and put it in the right box. This is an activity for you. Complete the activity given by yourself and share your answers in the comment box. If you like our video and gain some knowledge from it, then friends, hit the like button and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.